Climate change is a topic that has been making headlines for years, and for good reason. Its impacts are vast, affecting everything from our weather patterns to our ecosystems, our economies, and even our health. But what exactly is climate change? What causes it? And why should we be concerned? Climate change refers to long term shifts in temperatures and weather patterns. These shifts may be natural, but since the 1800s, human activities have been the main driver of climate change, primarily due to burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas, which produces heat trapping gases. These heat trapping gases are also known as the greenhouse gases. These gases absorb and emit infrared radiation, which leads to the warming of the planet. The most common greenhouse gases include water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and fluorinated gases. Climate change has a wide array of effects on the environment, human health, and socio-economic systems. Key impacts include rising temperatures, melting ice and rising sea levels, extreme weather events, ocean acidification, ecosystem disruption. Our world is a place of immense beauty, from the vast oceans to the towering forests, and from the diverse wildlife to the breathtaking landscapes. Yet, this beauty is under threat from the urgent growing issue of climate change. As we conclude, remember that the future of our planet rests in our hands. By embracing sustainable practices, advocating for policy changes, and making conscious choices, we can protect and preserve this beauty for generations to come.